lovelies, welcome back to another video. I just got off of work today, so I thought we might do like an after work clean with me. See my daughter. So I'm gonna get the kitchen done, the living room needs tidied up, and the bathroom, and I think I'm gonna try to get to her room today too, because it is a mess. But yeah, I'm off tomorrow, so I kind of want to get this done today so I can relax and hang out with her tomorrow. So yeah, come along with me, get some cleaning done. If this is your first time here, I hope you will think about hitting that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. So let's get on into this.
Trouble inside, beating hearts don't lie.
Alright, so first up I'm going to be starting in the kitchen and working on cleaning the dishes, putting them in the dishwasher, and then the ones I don't put in the dishwasher just wash in the sink.
Decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be I cannot go wrong.
Now most days after work I have like zero energy after working 8 hours, but on this day they had like a Disney day up at work, so I was already super pumped because we got to watch Disney movies and listen to Disney music, and we all sang along. So it was a pretty good time. So I was pretty energetic after the day after getting off work. So that's why I got a ton of stuff done that day. Also, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Disney movie is, or Disney song, or just any movie or song in general that you enjoy to either A, watch all the time, or sing like out loud, either in your house while you're cleaning or in your car or something. Just let me know down below.
God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. A journey for life, I'm your ride. No, 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 no. I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. suffocated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me.
Sorry, I just wanted to come in here and say I think it's adorable how my cat Paulson is just watching everything I do. It's like he's keeping an eye on all. Like, are you missing any spot? Are you? You got that toilet all nice and clean? All right, cool. All right, but yeah, he's my buddy.
With you. Hold me closer.
And also, I was really jamming out to music this day, so that is why you are seeing me just dance while I clean the toilet. So you're welcome, I guess.
Leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
got everything done that I was planning on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video. It's almost about 11 or not 11, it's almost about midnight, so I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.
Give me all your love, give me all your love.